We are now part of the globally recognized WTTC Safe Travels stamp initiative. But what does it mean when you see the Safe Travels stamp? Like you, we want to ensure safe yet seamless travel in the new normal. WTTC have been working with leading health experts and industry associations to devise global health and hygiene measures that follow WHO and CDC guidelines. The Safe Travels stamp recognizes the destination authorities and companies around the world that are adopting WTTC's health and hygiene protocols. From enhancing sanitation and deep cleaning practices to promoting contact tracing apps, we want you to feel confident in getting back to travel. So, whether you're booking a flight, renting a car, or planning your greatest adventure, keep an eye out for the stamp and look forward to experiencing safe travels. Visit WTTC.org/safetravels to find out more.